Someday, you will want to wash the covers of your inconveniently white IDEA chair. Watch this for some useless tips that won't save you any time. Find where the zipper is. Oh, here it is. Unzip. Easy so far, right? You're gonna put the squishy thing inside. This task will test both your patience and intelligence, so be prepared. Now try and put squish inside. Maybe fold it, but it's unlikely to help. However, it'll make you feel like you're persisting. Life is full of IDEA chairs to maintain, so this exercise in patience and persistence will help you develop stamina for life. You can take a short break to breathe, but remember to get back to your task as soon as you've finished with that breath. Hugging something soft can help you relieve the feeling of isolation and despair. Use this opportunity to reflect on your past unsuccessful attempts to finish a simple task. Remember that you still have things to do, and there is no time to rest, ever. Get back to it. Encourage yourself. You're almost there. Still young and beautiful. Everything is going to be just great. Try unconventional approach. Try to channel your rage into productivity. If this fails, get some coffee and clear your mind from all thoughts. Swaying back and forth helps clearing your mind even faster. Put a couple of coffee stains on your freshly washed covers. Try to get rid of them with your hand. This never works. Finish your coffee. Remember, perseverance will get you places. Keep going. Find something positive about this experience. For example, you do have a chair and you're exercising your muscles. Good. Oh, you can unzip it a little more. This might help. There's always a tiny action that can help. Remind yourself again that beauty is not that important. Try to finish what you started. Let go of perfectionism. You did it. Congratulations.